To enhance your Overwatch 2 installation experience, follow these simple steps to ensure a smoother process. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues and optimize your installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space to avoid installation problems. Step 2. Update your operating system. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Installing the latest updates can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance during the installation process. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and reduce potential conflicts that may interrupt the installation. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your computer to the internet using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. This can provide a more stable and faster download speed, reducing installation time. Step 5. Clear Blizzard cache. If you encounter issues, clear the Blizzard Battle net cache. This can be done by navigating to the Battle net app settings and selecting the option to clear the cache, which can help resolve installation loops. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Overwatch 2 installation experience and minimize any potential issues. Enjoy your gaming!